Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate tracking with HubSpot marketing tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer affiliate tracking with HubSpot marketing tools, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab on the main dashboard. Select Tracking URL Builder from the drop-down menu. Click on Create Tracking URL to begin the process. Enter your target URL where you want to direct traffic. Fill out the required fields, including campaign name and source. Ensure you categorize your affiliate source correctly for clarity. Add any additional parameters necessary for your tracking. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Create URL to finalize your tracking link. Now, copy the newly created tracking URL for use in your affiliate program. Next, log into your affiliate network platform. Locate the section for adding or managing tracking links. Paste the HubSpot tracking URL into the appropriate field. Assign a descriptive name to the link for easy identification. Save your changes to integrate the new tracking URL. Return to HubSpot and navigate back to the Marketing tab. This time, go to Analytics Tools to monitor your tracking performance. Select Tracking URLs from the options provided. Here, you will see the performance of your affiliate links. Use these analytics to assess traffic and conversion metrics. Regularly check the performance metrics to optimize your affiliate strategy. Adjust your campaigns based on the data you gather over time. With these steps, you can effectively transfer and manage your affiliate tracking using HubSpot marketing tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.